warm welcome to all of you. I am excited to begin this journey with you to the world of marketing research. But before we dive deeper, let us reflect for a moment. Why do some companies grow rapidly while others fail even after spending millions of dollars? Is it about luck? Is it about sources? No. The answer is information. Knowing what customer wants, how they think, and how markets evolve separates the success from failure. This is exactly what the marketing research provides you. It serves as the eyes and ears of the organization, offering a window into the customer preferences, competitor strategies, and emerging market trends. For instance, when PepsiCo tested Pepsi Black in Pakistan, it was research which revealed that younger audiences wanted low-calorie drink without having any compromise on taste. Similarly, the Daraz relies on online customer surveys to improve the delivery service, while the local boutique in Multan may ask shoppers about the fabric quality before launching a new line. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define the marketing research and understand its broader scope. You will be able to explain the role of marketing research in effective managerial decision making, and you will be able to understand the role of ethics in research. So, let us begin with understanding the definition and scope of marketing research. The American Marketing Association defines the marketing research as marketing research is the function which links customers, consumer, public to the marketer through information. The information used to identify and define the marketing opportunities and problems, generate, refine, and re-evaluate the marketing actions, monitor the marketing performance, and improve the understanding of marketing as a process. In simple terms, marketing research is the process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting the information to help marketers make informed decisions. So, it is not a guesswork, it is a systematic and evidence based process. Let us now have a glance at the scope of marketing research. The scope is wide and covers all the aspects of marketing. Let us look at some major areas. Number one, product research. The product research focuses on customer needs, testing new product ideas, packaging, and performance. For example, Coca-Cola tested packaging designs for Coke Zero before its launch in Pakistan. Number second is price research. Price research determines the optimal price customers are willing to pay. For example, Cream tested different fare structure during the peak hours and analyzed the customer responses. Number third is promotion research. Promotion research examines which advertisement channel, messages, or social media platform are most effective. For example, Jazz compared TikTok ads with Instagram Reels to see which attracted more app downloads. Number four is distribution research. The distribution research studies how the product should reach to the customer. For example, Unilever Pakistan researched rural distributions to ensure the Sunsilk was available in rural areas and village stores. Number five is consumer research. Consumer research studies attitudes, lifestyles, and buying behaviors. For example, Outfitter collect data from Gen Z fashion preferences to design the seasonal clothing. Number six is marketing trends and competitor research. It monitors competition in the industry changes. For example, Food Panda tracks the growth of home-based businesses to adjust the partnerships. Now let us discuss why this matters, why the marketing research matters. The scope of marketing research shows that every key of marketing mix including product, price, place and promotion relies on research. Without evidence, companies risk wasting its resources or losing touch with its customers. In the part second of this lecture, we will be discussing the role of marketing research and decision making. Okay, now imagine being a brand manager of new fast food outlet in Lahore. You need to decide, should you launch spicy burgers or mild ones? Should you match the McDonald's prices or you should go cheaper? Should you invest in TV ads or only you can use the social media. If you decide based on the assumption, you will risk failure. But research will provide you clarity. Now let us discuss about the role of marketing research. Number one, descriptive role. Descriptive role of marketing research is concerned about what is happening. It provides facts such as sales data, consumer demographics, or even market share. For example, Nielsen reports shows the percentage of Pakistanis who drink tea daily. Number second is diagnostic role of research. The diagnostic role of research is concerned why is it happening? It explains the reasons behind the market trends. For example, sales may be declining not due to the product taste but because of the delivery service may be unreliable. Number third is predictive role of marketing research, which shows what will happen next. It forecasts the future outcomes. For example, predicting how sales will change if Nestle increases milk pack price by 5%. Now let us take a real world example. KFC Pakistan noticed fewer student customers. Research revealed that affordability is the main issue. The company introduced budget-friendly student meal, which improved its sales. So this is a real-time example of marketing research functions. Marketing research follows a clear and systematic process. Each step is critical. Number one, define the problem and its objectives is the first step of marketing research process. In this, we define our problems just like a poorly defined problem leads to poor result. For example, a telecom company might think that the problem is low satisfaction, but the real issue could be weak coverage in rural areas. Number second is developing the research plan. It decides on the type of data used, that is quantitative versus qualitative. Then we select our research methods based on the nature of data, either it is quantitative or qualitative. We use the methods accordingly. Then we plan the sample size and we plan our budget. In the third step of marketing research process, we collect the data. There can be different kind of data including primary data and secondary data. The primary data is first-hand data that we take through surveys, focus group or experiments, while the secondary data is the data that is already published in reports, government statistics or industry publications. For example, the RAS collects primary data through customer reviews and secondary data from e-commerce industry reports. In the fourth step, we analyze the data. We convert the raw data into insights using statistics, graph, or qualitative interpretations. For example, cross-tabulating survey responses to find if younger customer preference online shopping more than the older ones. In the fifth step, we present our findings. We share the result with decision makers in a clear and practical terms. And we try to avoid the jargons and focus on actionable recommendations. And the last step is taking the corrective action. The real value of the research is in its implementation. For example, a bank may act on the survey results by introducing mobile banking feature demanded by customers. Now let us take the example of case study. The RAS faced frequent delivery complaints. Now let us apply all these steps to the RAS. First of all, we will define the problem, which is delayed deliveries in smaller cities. Then comes the step of data collection. In this, customer surveys and complaints. The third step is analyzing the data. After analyzing the data, it is found that 65% of the complaints came from the areas with weak courier services. Now it's the time to take the action, and in this step, we will be partnering with our local courier services. And the last step is of results. The faster deliveries will be provided to customers, and they will be happy and satisfied. So, as I told earlier, The last topic of our today's lecture will be ethics in marketing research. Marketing research is powerful, but if conducted unethically, it can mislead, exploit, or even harm people. That's why ethics is crucial. Now, let us discuss the key ethical concerns. First of all, privacy and confidentiality. Respondents' data must be protected. For example, if the customers share their income levels in a survey, researchers cannot disclose it. It's against the privacy. We should avoid this. And the second point is honesty and transparency, which means that the findings should be reported truthfully. Manipulating the results to satisfy the manager is unethical, and such practices should be avoided while conducting a meaningful research. Number third, informed consent. Participants should know why they are being surveyed and how the data collected will be used. Number four, avoiding exploitation. This is very important. Questions should not mislead or pressurize the respondents. Let us take a controversial example. Facebook once experimented with altering the users' news feeds to test the emotional responses without their consent. This caused a global outrage and highlighted the need of ethical safeguards. Now let us discuss about our own country. Why ethics matter in Pakistan? In the developing countries like Pakistan, regulation is still evolving. Ethical lapses such as misuse of personal data can quickly destroy the trust. A local example can be many customers avoid sharing feedback online due to the fear of data misuse. So, this was all for today's lecture. To summarize, we can say that today we learned that marketing research is the bridge between the organizations and its customers. Its scopes cover every element of marketing, including product, price, place, promotion, distribution, consumer behavior, and competition. It plays a critical role in decision making. The research process provides a systematic path from defining problems to taking actions, and the ethics safeguard participants and build trust, which is essential for the long-term success. Always remember, marketing research is not just about the data; it's about understanding people. Businesses that listen to their customers and base strategies on insights are the ones that thrive in the long term. Thank you so very much for your time and attention. In our next lecture, we will explore the research designs, exploratory, descriptive, and causal research, and learn when to use each time. Thank you so much.